Did you make that bacon-infused bourbon I just showed y'all? Because now you need it. That's going to be for our bacon maple old fashioned. But before we get started, I do want to thank my sponsor, RXSugar, for supplying us with some organic maple syrup, zero carb. That's so delicious. Okay, breathe now. Ooh, I got all that in one breath. Man, no, but seriously, their organic maple syrup from RXSugar is amazing. And the best part about it is zero net carbs. And I really couldn't tell the difference between this and the regular, pancake syrup that we have at our house. Actually, I think this is better than just a regular old pancake syrup for sure. Being sugar-free or not, just flavor-wise, it's delicious. So thank you, RXSugar. Make sure you check out the link below where you can pick up some organic maple syrup for yourself from RXSugar. There's a 20% discount code. Let's make an old-fashioned for breakfast. Yeah, let's make an old-fashioned for breakfast. So let's get started. So we're gonna need our bacon-infused bourbon. Next we're gonna need is a rocks glass. So we have ourselves a double rocks glass, single rocks glass, red solo cup, whatever you want to put it in. So we're going to take 2 ounces of this bacon-infused bourbon. Awesome. Now we're going to add 1 bar spoon of RXSugar organic maple syrup. 1 bar spoon of that. Holy shit. And next, my Angostura bitters. Angostura bitters goes in an old fashioned, right? Not a bacon maple old fashioned. We're hitting that up with some orange bitters instead. I'm gonna go with 3 dashes. Now we're gonna just stir this up really good. Now, you can take a big ice sphere, large ice cube. I broke my ice mold. I don't have it. So I'm gonna take a couple of pieces of cocktail ice. It's just 4, not much. You don't want too much dilution. Stir that up as well. Ooh. Ugh, that's delicious. Next, we're going to go ahead and, there we go, orange. We'll do ourselves an orange zest. I can't have an old fashioned without an orange zest. Squeeze that skin, express some of those, a lot of oils on this one. Pinch the skin towards the glass, so what happens is all those little pores that are on the orange skin, when you pinch that towards your drink, it expresses the orange oils right over the drink and into the drink. Also, I like to go ahead and wipe that around the rim of the glass and maybe down the glass as well to where you hold it so you get some of those essential orange oils on your fingers. Oh, nummy, nummy, nummy. Drop that in and shoot. Add a piece of bacon. There's our bacon maple old fashioned. Cheers. That's phenomenal. That's absolutely phenomenal. I love bacon maple old fashions. And like I said, if you watched the video before, you can make an entire bottle of this. You can make a small batch of the bacon infused bourbon. Lots of different options you can do with that. All right, guys, quick short video. The long one was making the infused bourbon. All right, guys, y'all have a great day because I am absolutely having a great day now. Oh, you know what you can do now? You can eat your garnish. See y'all later.